Disclosures. What do you have to disclose? This is vital to ensure that you are safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest going over the disclosures with your agent prior to going on the MLS or prior to buyers coming into your home. We want them to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to making an offer because we don't like surprises. This will help ensure that the buyer doesn't back out from things they should already be made aware of. I am happy to say that after selling hundreds of homes in the past 10 years, I have never had a lawsuit. So this is important to understand. When you're selling anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, changed, it needs to be disclosed. So if you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, fixed the water heater, just disclose it. One of my most common sayings to my clients is, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, the answer is most always going to be yes. Over-disclosure is better than under-disclosure, and it will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything about the home. That could have a negative impact on the desirability or price of the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later telling you that they want to go to court or they want to try to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you didn't know about it and that they kept it from you intentionally in order to win in court. I'm Allison Morel, broker owner of Real Connect Realty. We're all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. I look forward to our next connection, and until then, take care.